Alright, on this problem we want to graph it, but typically we like it in graphing form, so we like it in y equals x minus h squared. Oopsie, that's not very good. Let's try that again. X minus h squared plus k. And we have the a value is in front. That's typically our graphing form. So what I have to do is I have to make this equation look like that, and we do that by completing the square. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to complete the square, and remember you complete the square on the first two terms. So you've got x squared minus 2x minus 2x. So you've got x minus 2, x minus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So in order to complete the square here, this number here has to be 4. So I'm going to add 2 here and add 2 here. So I get y plus 2 is greater than x squared minus 4x plus 4. So now we've got our perfect square, and then we also know its factors, so we know this is going to be x minus 2 squared. And so then I want to move this over here, so then I have y is greater than x minus 2 squared minus 2. So now I'm in graphing form, and so we know that the vertex is going to be at 2 comma negative 2, and I know my a value is 1. So I also know my line is going to be dotted, and I'm going to shade, since y is greater than, I'm going to shade above. So now I come over here and I do my graph. So I go over 2, down 1, 2. My a value is 1, so that means I'm going to go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 1, 2, 4. And I think on this one we can go over 1, 2, 3, and 3 squared is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so what I always like to do is I always like to use symmetry to get my other points. I could also go over 1, up 1, but symmetry, I know the distance is going to be the same and it's going to be equal. So we're 3 units here, 3 units here. Now if you just want to go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9, you could do that as well. So now we've got our graph. Okay, so now I just realized my line's dotted, so I need to dot this. One nice thing about working on the computer, it's easy to erase. And so then there is my boundary line, and so I'm above, so my shading is going to be everything above here.